Hello everyone. Let's start new chapter of science, that is chapter 17, stars and the solar system. So here you can see a conversation between father and his son. Son asks his father, "Papa, why does moon look bigger than the stars? Why does the moon change its shape daily?" Then the father replies, "Moon is nearer to the earth than the stars. That is why it looks bigger than the stars." Then again the son asks his father, "I have also observed that stars form specific pattern in night sky, and some of them even do not twinkle. Why is it so?" So let us read this chapter to know the answers of Rahul's queries. We shall also discuss about moon, stars and the planets. Have you ever observed the sky on a clear night? What did you see? Did you see something twinkling in the sky? Can you count them? They are stars. Did you notice some other star-like objects? Do all of them twinkle? Have you ever thought, why do stars appear to twinkle? So, when we look at the sky on a dark and clear night, we will see a large number of bright and shining objects of different sizes. Some may appear closer than others, some may appear to blink, while others give out a constant shine. These objects are a mix of stars, planets, moons, and a few others. So what is astronomy? The branch of science which studies about the universe. That is called astronomy. Scientists are researching in a big way about different galaxies, stars, planets, possibility of life elsewhere in the universe, and also the possibilities of setting up colonies on the moon and the Mars. So what is celestial objects? So the objects which exist in the sky, they are called celestial objects, like satellites, planets, asteroids, comets, meteorites, stars. These are also known as heavenly bodies. Next is, what is a galaxy? Galaxy is basically a large group of stars, gas and dust held together by gravity. This is the simplest definition of a galaxy. It is believed that galaxies were formed due to big cosmic bang billions of years ago. The Sun is one of at least 100 billion stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way. So, the name of our galaxy is Milky Way. There are about 100 billion such galaxies in the universe, containing an average of 100 billion stars each. There are different types of galaxies. They are named according to their shapes. For example, spiral galaxy, elliptical galaxy, irregular galaxy, and so on. Milky Way, that is our galaxy, is a spiral galaxy. And the next spiral galaxy to the Milky Way is the Andromeda galaxy. This is the closest spiral galaxy to our Milky Way. Next is stars. We are all familiar with stars. We see them on most clear nights as tiny twinkling point of light in the sky. Stars are the most widely recognized astronomical objects. They represent the most fundamental building blocks of galaxies. Stars in the heavens may also appear to be in different colors because their temperatures are not all the same. Hot stars are white or blue, whereas cooler stars appear to have orange or red color. And hydrogen is the primary constituent of the stars. This hydrogen gas changes into helium in a star, and in this process a large amount of heat and light is produced, and the temperature in a star is very high. For example, the temperature at the surface of a sun, which is also a star, is about 6000 degrees Celsius, and in its core the temperature is about 150,000 degrees Celsius. Sun is also a star. But why does it appear so large compared to other stars? Sun is the nearer than other stars. It is at a distance of about 150 million kilometers from us. Other stars are millions of times farther away from the Sun. The next nearest star from us is Alpha Centauri, and this is 40 trillion kilometers from us. The sunlight takes about 8 minutes to travel from the Sun to the Earth. This implies that the Sun is at a distance of 8 light minutes from us, and Alpha Centauri is 4.3 light years away from us. So what is this light year? Light year is actually a unit to express these distances. As these distances are too big, so we measure it in light year. And a light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year.